Hi everyone. This is the end of 2020. Can you recollect your memory 19 that December? Last year December, I'm sure that you had the same thought. I will change my life. I wanted to plan for 2020. I want to do something big. I want to change everything in my financial situation, and I'm really thinking about my plan, how I faced 2020. But unfortunately, we all had a very crucial and struggling time because of COVID. That bad period, you had a lot of experiences, and you know that depending on single income is going to be a huge task in coming future. So that is the reason I'm going to tell you this secret. Secret is we should not depend on single income. Okay, let Corona go, or let 2021 come. So, if you're not going to change your attitude, if you're not going to change your way of earning money, what happens is you will have the same scenario like last year or last few years. What is the idea behind this? Try to increase the way you getting money, increase your income avenues. Then it's a pandemic time, or it's a war time, or something else, natural disaster time, doesn't matter, because you have extra income to feed your family, you have extra income to give your children a good education, you have extra income to build your retirement fund, you have extra income to do vacation or whatever you want to do. Extra income means it's the ultimate target of every professionals, because professionals are dependent on single income. You don't have time to go and do other job. You don't have time to think about something else, because your creativity, your energy, everything you focus on your job, professional. That professional means professional only. So you don't have business mindset. So what happened is here, people can't develop a business without putting your effort and money. That's the reason Trustmax giving this opportunity to you. Every professional should take this as serious business, because you don't have to spend your money. Number one, you don't have to spend your time. Number two, time is precious than money actually. You will have money, but you don't buy the time. That's the main reason I'm talking about. Financial freedom means entire taking time, control your time as per your wish, not as per your boss's wish. Because everyone, if you are working under somebody, definitely your time is trading against the money. Your time is trading against the money means, so you have to think twice. You have to create some extra income, then only you will have time freedom. That's why now another 10 days is there. So we are reaching most adventurous and most prosperous year, that is called 2021. That this year is going to be a huge opportunities, and you will have a lot of enhancement in your life. I'm 100% sure everybody will have a good future. Next 12 months, you can plan as per that. If you want to develop your extra income, if you want to develop your retirement fund, if you have children, if you want to give them a good education, so think about it. And the 10 days is there. Before end of this year, take serious note, take action, act like a professional, act like a hero. You understand that your time is very limited. Everyone cannot work until you live. So what happened is here, you have only 20 or 30 years to work and accumulate funds, work and build extra income, work and have a good retirement life, or give them a good children's education. So that's why I'm telling you, next 10 days, if you don't take this as a serious matter, definitely you will be in a soup. I'm telling you. So next year, if you want to have a peace of mind, and if you want to have a good future, Then think about building a wealth, not taking a salary. Salary is something you are taking from somebody else. But create the wealth. Invest your money to grow more money. Invest your money to accumulate more funds. Let the money work for you. So if you want to know how Trustmax is working, how that will affect your life, just call us. So we will be very happy to assist you. That's the only thing why what we can do, because we can't take we can't do anything if you're not going to change your mindset. That's what I'm saying. So change your mind, find out all the possibilities that how you can develop your own income, how you can develop your online income at a home-based business. Focus on that. Don't try to work until you die. Then you will never ever have a retirement life. You will never have a rest of your life. So what happened is, make next year is the best ever in your life. So whatever support you need, assistance you need, if you need to know more details, just contact, and definitely I will tell you plus and minus. You decide. If it is going to be a big problem for you, don't do it. Try something else, because there are millions of ways to earn extra money online. Go and search, go and Google. You can understand the beauty of having financial freedom. So my first task is change your mind to create extra income. Whether it's online or offline or whatever business, doesn't matter. If it is not going to harm anybody, if it is going to help other community people, definitely start. Whatever you know, if you know something special, try to start. But if you don't know anything, you don't have time, no money, then come to Trustmax. Trustmax is the ultimate place for you to earn extra huge income. We are leveraging our time, not the money. So if you leverage your time, what happens is you can generate more money. So my friends, another 10 days more, make a concrete decision. You will earn money without working. That is called passive income. If you come to us, we will teach you how you can do that. So my invitation is you to contact us. Let's grow together. 2021 is going to be a huge year for everybody. Already we achieved our target for last 6 months. So we are focusing on next year. So that's why I'm telling you. So if you are worrying about back like last few years, few months, don't worry about it. We will close the gap. We will go forward with a positive mindset. Thank you very much and have a good day.